That's my Timmy's. That's still my Timmy's. You can't have any. Actually, those are dog treats. What are you doing over there? You probably shouldn't be doing that. I should probably be doing something about this. Let's see what happens. You can't even play video games. Get away from that controller. You should climb it. Puss. Oh, don't be a pussy. That's right, up there. Up there. That's right. Up there. The leap of faith. That's the dog food. No wonder you're so fat. I found a puppy.
Yeah, we'll go downstairs. Mike, you can use my Xbox.
Come.